Hi, this is Linda Yo. I'm a weight management consultant and the author of Asian Slim Secrets. I teach people how to lose weight and stay slim for life without starving themselves. I discovered this weight loss method when I was struggling with my own weight because I had gained 25 pounds in 3 months when I moved from Asia to the United States about 20 years ago. It was quite a struggle because I love good food. Many people have told me that I'm a good cook, and my standard reply is, if you love to eat the way that I do, you will be a good cook too. I'm the type of person who goes to Las Vegas not to gamble, but for the buffets and of course the shows. So naturally, I have to really learn the keys to permanent weight loss because I also want to stay slim and look good. Over the past 20 years, I have researched about the most effective way on how to enjoy food and stay slim. And I have found a method that works. I've received many thank you emails from all over the world. These people basically say the same thing. Prior to using my method, they cannot lose weight or they experience yo-yo weight loss. But with my method, they lost weight permanently and they do not feel hungry at all. I like to teach this method to you. As a self-help book author and as a voracious reader of self-help book myself, my ultimate mission is to share this wonderful, easy weight loss method to as many people as possible. You can learn from my book or my video, but it is faster to learn this concept at my online weight loss class. Joining a class is like learning how to read or do math. You learn once and you reap the benefit for the rest of your life. There are so many weight loss myths and scams out there that if you don't take the time to educate yourself, you will spend lots of money endangering your health and sacrificing the quality of your life for years, even decades. One of my weight loss students struggled with her weight for about 50 years before she found success with my method. Now you may wonder, what will you learn at my weight loss class? Let me give you an example. 1 cup of this chicken noodle and vegetable soup contains 100 calories. If you eat 10 cups of this soup, 3 cups for breakfast, 3 cups for lunch, and 4 cups for dinner, you will stay full all day long with a total of 1,000 calories. 1 cup is 100 calories, so 10 cups is only 1,000 calories. On the other hand, this box of candy contains more than 2,000 calories. Can you stay full all day long eating only a box of candy? Probably not. But some of you will say, yeah, but I'm a lot happier with the candy. Well, how about eating 10 cups of chicken noodle soup and 3 pieces of chocolate? Then you will be full, happy, and slim because you only consume 1,250 calories. Now I won't ask you to eat this soup all day long. But this is just an example that you can stay full, still enjoy food, and lose weight. You can still eat steak, fried chicken, pasta, anything you like. But you will learn how to combine them with certain foods that will help you to stay full and also increases your metabolism. You can still enjoy your favorite food, but you will have better self-control. So instead of eating a box of chocolate, you will be satisfied with a few pieces. You will also learn how to prepare tasty and healthy food in less than 15 minutes. But if you don't like to cook, don't worry, because you will learn how to eat out and still lose weight. This is a method that is truly innovative, and your success is guaranteed. If you want to lose weight, and you're willing to put a little bit of effort, I can help you.